Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an education logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo section next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the education logo, and just select one, and new you can edit this template. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box and tap to the edit button, and new go to the keyboard icon. Delete the language school button, write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color option next to the font section and just select another color, and in the shadow section you can add the shadows to your text. If you want to add graphic elements or images to your project, just go to the graphic button at the bottom of the page, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can find photos from your device. In the doodle section, just select a color and new you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, you can find it different objects. For example, click to the letters, and new you can add click to the butterfly, for example, because the letters is white and the background is white too. So click to the butterfly, and new you can add butterflies to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.